Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as faculty and the lecturer vacancies notification from the three different colleges, guys. And here the opportunities are there for the candidates who are having only post graduation and who are the candidates having the PG plus UGC net. Okay, so for both these two categories here the opportunities are there. And while coming to the salary as per the UGC norms, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the colleges. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. To the present content of the video. So here it is the first college we are going to see, and it is Autonomous Linguistic Minority Institution. Okay. So Nangindas College of Commerce, Arts and Management Studies, guys. So in this university you may check down. The applications are invited for the following post of assistant professor for the academic year 2021 to 22 on ad hoc basis. And coming to the subjects as well as the total number of vacancies are also mentioned here. So management and commerce 2 posts, finance and accountancy 7, information technology or computer science 3, mass media 1, economics 4, psychology 2, geography 1, mathematics and statistics 1. The qualification for the post of assistant professor are as prescribed by the UGC and the University of Mumbai from time to time. So for the subject of finance and accountancy, preference will be given to the candidates who are having the qualification CA or MBA in the finance and the accountancy. Fine. So for the finance and accountancy, they are asking only the post graduation. Okay, that means they are not mentioning about anything regarding the UGC NET qualification, guys. So I think for the remaining subjects also, even though if you are having the only post graduation or else the PG with UGC NET, then please try to send your resume. Okay, that is application with full details should reach to the principal on the email address hr@nkc.ac.in within the 10 days. So we got this advertisement just 2 days before only, so still the date is there. So if you are interested in the subjects and if you are having the post graduation only or else PG plus UGC NET, then try to send your application along with your CV to this mentioned mail ID hr@nkc.ac.in. Okay, and coming to the next one that I am going to show you is the Galaxy Global Group of Institutions, guys. So in this one, here it is a career page. If you belongs to any one of these departments, computer science and engineering, civil, electronics and communication, electrical, mechanical, coming to the applied science and humanities, physics, chemistry and mathematics, as well as the management and computer applications. Fine. So if you're having only the post graduation also in these departments, then no problem. Try to fill up this form, guys. I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So which post you are applying for? Assistant, associate or else a professor, and applicant name, okay, as well as the gender and the contact number and the address, city, state and country name and the experience. Okay, so what is the current amount, the salary you are taking and the notice period. Upload your resume and then click on the submit button. Fine. So whatever the departments I shown here, if you belongs to any one of these departments and if you are having only post graduation also, then try to apply, guys. And coming to the next one, it is junior college. So in this one, the lecturer recruitments are there regarding the maths, political science, English, economics as well as the history. Fine. So if you are interested in this one, that means even though if you are having only the post graduation, okay, so it is mandatory for the candidate to possess MA in the maths, political science, English, economics or history from reputed university. Any prior teaching or academic experience will be preferable. Fine. And coming to the remuneration, it's a growing institute, and in the next few years, the candidate stands to have a great opportunity to play a leading role. And what is application procedure is that a curriculum with a statement of purpose and the 3 referees. Okay, name you have to provide it, and shortlisted candidates will be taken for through 2 rounds of interview. One is a video conferencing and second one is a demo round. Okay. So video conferencing and demo round means everything is online interview, so you need not to attend physically there. So online interview, guys. So you might attend the interview by simply sitting in your home itself. And the interested candidates, whatever the qualifications you are having, that is mentioned here, you may send your resume to here. The two mail IDs are given here. So both these two mail IDs, you may send your resume, guys. So job category is faculty, job type is full-time, and job location is Hyderabad. Fine. So these are the recruitment regarding the 3 colleges, and I shown you the multiple departments, guys, and multiple vacancies also there here. So all the interested and eligible candidates, okay, please try to apply. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide